Well, you can spend a lot of time and a lot of money getting a good, solid skincare routine, and you can be extremely careful about what products that you're picking and using on your skin. But what about makeup? Well, there are some makeup ingredients you definitely want to avoid, and I'm going to share with you what those are in this video. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Skincare with Chris Gibson. If you're new, I'm Chris. I'm here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do more harm than good. So if that's your thing, be sure and hit the subscription button and that little notification bell so that you get notified when my new videos are up each week. Now, if you've been listening to me for a while, then you already know that I talk a lot about skincare ingredients that you should avoid in skincare products. Things like synthetic fragrance, phthalates, and parabens. And almost everybody has heard about parabens and not using products that contain them because they can be really bad for your health. In fact, I created this video right here to talk about all of the skincare ingredients you should avoid in your skincare products. And I'll link to this at the end of this video. Now, unfortunately, when it comes to cosmetics under current laws, the FDA does not require cosmetic companies to do safety assessments on their products. So if makeup is part of your daily routine, it really is up to you to be in the know about what you're putting on your skin. And just like skincare, cosmetics is something you're applying to your skin, so it is going to be absorbed and have an effect on your skin's health. So just what are the top cosmetic ingredients that you need to be on the lookout for? Well, first on the list is quaternium-15, along with other formaldehyde releasing ingredients. Yes, formaldehyde, that is the stuff that they use at the funeral home to preserve dead bodies, and most of us come in contact with it the first time in biology in school. So yeah, formaldehyde, it is a preservative that is very, very poisonous and carcinogenic to the human body, to any body actually. And the problem with these types of ingredients is that they release tiny amounts of formaldehyde in the form of a gas. So you can see where having cosmetics on your skin that do that could be a problem because you would be inhaling the gas. Minute amounts certainly, but it still is carcinogenic and probably not something you want to breathe in. Now these quats, as we like to call them, have many uses in cosmetics, everything from preservatives to germicides to surfactants. And you will most often find quats in products like eyeliner, pressed powders, eyeshadows, things of that nature. On the labels, the things for you to look out for are DMDM, BHUT, methenamine, quaternium-15, 18, and 26. Now these ingredients can cause skin irritation in addition to the fact that, again, they're releasing formaldehyde gas and you're breathing them in. So obviously these are ingredients we want to avoid. Next up on the list are PEGs, or PEG compounds, which are polyethylene glycols. Now these are petroleum-based compounds that are used to thicken, soften, and gelatinize cosmetic products. And PEGs are often contaminated with ethylene oxide, which is a human carcinogen. And in studies, these have been shown to interfere with the endocrine system and the reproductive system. So again, these are some ingredients that we really want to try to avoid. Then there are the BHT compounds, or butylated compounds, that are often in many of the products that we use. And that's food as well. You will find them in chips and processed foods, but you also find them in cosmetics. Now these are preservatives that you'll find in things like eyeliner, eyeshadow, lip gloss, lipstick, and cream foundations and concealers. And these can be skin irritating, especially if you have sensitive skin, and they bioaccumulate, which means that they build up in your system, and that can be a concern for your health in the long run. And of course, it's always better to look for products that have natural preservatives. They will usually be marked on the label and tell you that that's what they're using rather than BHT. Now, there are a couple of other skin offending ingredients that I want to mention here in this video. One of them is octinoxate. And you guys that follow me on the channel know I talk about this all the time. You're going to find that as the SPF, or sun protection factor, ingredient in many cosmetics. It's got a big cause for concern. It's been shown in studies to penetrate the skin and get into the bloodstream. So try to look for products that have zinc or zinc powder as the SPF component. So you want a mineral-based component for sunscreen. The other ingredient that you need to look out for in cosmetics is siloxane. And siloxane shows up in many, it's just very common, and it is an ingredient that is used to soften and moisten a lot of cream cosmetics. The problem with it is it's an endocrine disruptor. It also can have impact on the reproductive system. So if you see siloxane on the label, it's another ingredient you might want to avoid. It also can be a problem for sensitive skin types. So if you are a person that's having sensitive skin issues and you've tried everything with your skincare products, but you also wear makeup or cosmetics, it could be your cosmetics causing the problem. So hopefully these ingredients will give you some ground to work with or something to work with and look to change out in your cosmetics routine or your makeup routine. It could really make a big difference for your skin. Now, I hope you found this video helpful in showing you what type of ingredients to look for in your cosmetics and perhaps actually stay away from. Please let me know in the comments below what your top skincare concerns are, and also be sure and check out this video right over here that will give you a full idea of what ingredients to stay away from that are toxic in skincare products. Thank you guys so much for watching, supporting the channel. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next video.